started out this journey with a load of post-it notes in a meeting room saying this is what we'd like to do. We've moved from that to something being built.
The council has got several other offices across Humber and East Yorkshire, but this is the first one that really has a focus obviously on the rail industry. And with this train manufacturing site being built, this is a real opportunity to collaborate and actually innovate and make something happen.
Siemens Mobility UK are trendsetters in the world of digitalization. And this is such an exciting place. It will create employment for local people, and that is such an exciting future for everyone.
Just seems at the moment that Goole, I can't ever remember it being in a better place, and I certainly can't ever remember there being so much enthusiasm.
RaisE stands for the Rail Accelerator and Innovation Solution Hub for Enterprise. It's great to see the project coming out of the ground. It looks great. This is a sort of tried and tested model a bit in with the council. This is going to be our sort of newest flagship centre. It's not exclusively for rail SMEs, but we hope that on the back of the Siemens mobility investment over the road that we are going to attract companies from that sector, and it's part of a wider sort of vision that we've got for Goole. We've never had that platform to really showcase what's going on in Goole, and we feel the facilities at RaisE Business Centre, will have some great flexible space there, smaller meeting rooms, larger conferencing space for up to 80 delegates. Siemens, they are actually taking the whole top floor, which is for their specialist team looking at the digitisation of the railway and signalling autonomous systems. So that's quite a departure from our previous centres where they've just been smaller units. So we feel that having them on the top floor will create a real buzz around the building. If I could put my experience of working with Willmott Dixon in 3 words, I would have to say it would be professional, friendly and reliable. I do live locally, so I pass the site a lot when I'm driving around, and I'm always struck by how sort of clean and tidy and professional the site looks. So that's really positive that we can portray that image to everyone else who's passing the site as well. With all the activity that's been going on recently, we have seen a sort of increase in civic pride, and we hope with all the regeneration that's going on that there'll be a real lasting legacy about a higher skill, higher wage economy. Goole is the UK's most inland port. It's got great connectivity in terms of roads, railway, inland waterways, which is a real selling point from a commercial industrial perspective. But the town has sort of suffered in the past with certain image problems. A lot of industrial port towns tend to have that sort of image, but we feel with all the great investment that's going on, we see this as a real turning point for Goole.